Hello everyone, my name is Daya and I'm from Build with Innovation. In this video, let's see how to create users and how to manage them and how to manage the existing users as well. So from the side menu, click on the users, which is here. And as you can see in this page, we have three tabs. The first one is users, the second being delivery, and the last is the admins. So basically few of the options are same in all the three, and let's explore what's in users now. At the top of the page we have a search bar where you can search the users by their names and the results will be shown as per what you've typed. So as simple as that. And next we have an option called export users, which is nothing but to export the data of the users in terms of an Excel sheet to transport it to your computer or to save it in your PC. So, and we have an option called add user here. When a user wants you to add them by yourself, you can use this option. So all you have to do is click on the add user and you have to input certain data, which is nothing but the user's name and the phone number. So let the name be Prabhat here, and then you have to provide the user's mobile number. So here the thing is you have to give exactly 10 digits or else it won't add. See, so if I click on add after giving 11 digits, we have a pop-up here saying please enter 10-digit phone number. So even if we enter 12 digits, for example, I'll add some more here. So it doesn't add even now. So you have to just give 10 digits exactly so that it will be added. Now you can see it's processing. So yeah, the new user is added, and we have sorting options. So we can sort based on last access time, username and birthday. The last access time is nothing but the recently accessed persons will be shown at the top and the most inactive users will be at the bottom. So that's nothing but the last access time. So if we enable it, click on OK. And next we have users. So the username is nothing but the sorting based on the alphabetical order, which is in reverse alphabetical order, as you can see. So that's how it is. And next we have birthday. So if you click on birthday, the users whoever has provided birthday will be sorted based on recent ones at the top. So yeah, here it is. But let's keep it last access time because the users who we have added will not have the birth date, so it will be shown as not available. So let it be last access time here. So if I click on edit role, we have number of roles here, which are the user roles, be it block user, make retailer, admin and all. So if I want to block any user, I just click on it, and if I press OK, so there are three options here, which is cancel, block and delete data. So if I just block the user, the next time the person trying to log in, they won't receive any OTP. So if I block and delete data, they will be deleted and their data will be deleted, but they can again register as a new user. So I don't want to block any of them, so I'll just click on cancel. And next we have retailer, make admin or delivery agent. We can assign any role to this specific user. We can even make them vendor or manager. So yeah, that's about roles. So if you want to assign any role, just click on OK. And next we have an option called view. If I view, there are like 4 options here, which is orders, addresses, wallet and settings, but it's quite empty here because it's a new user. So let's go with some existing user. Yeah, so if I see here, we have 4 options called orders, addresses, wallet and settings. So these are nothing but the previous orders this user has made. And if I click on the view order, I'll be able to see the order details. So The order details contains the order status and the address and their delivery agent and all. The next we have addresses, the user's address, and wallet, where we can add money to the user or even charge them, and we can see the wallet balance in the user's account and the cashback they have received and all, and the transaction history too. And in the settings we have an option called delivery agent, where we can assign a specific delivery agent to a specific user, to make default. For example, if this user places any order in future, the specific delivery agent whom we have selected will be assigned as default. And in the additional information we can give any information which will be reflected on the order status. So I'll give as Mayank favorite. So it will be shown if I save it. So if I save this, it will be shown in the view order section, where we get the additional information. So yeah, that's all about the settings. And next we have message user. If we click on it, so we'll be redirected to the chat page where the order IDs and the messages are sent. And next we have delivery and address. Just like in users, the delivery will have the edit role option. So here it is. If I click on the edit role, same number of options will show up. Except here we have an option called make user. So if you want to make this person user again, you can click on it and click OK. So yeah, this user will be marked to move to user from delivery. So he is made as a user now. Same goes with admin too. You can edit the admin's role if you want. And yeah, that's all about the users. So you can add new users and edit their roles and view their details and all, and you can message or even export the data as per your convenience. Hope you understood.